Did he drink all of his pup cup?
Yeah.
Look at me, buddy. Thank you, Shannon, for the Starbucks. I've already uploaded today's video, so this will have to go into tomorrow's video. Shannon, as soon as I got you, I seen the email, I was like, what? And then I went to go find your comment, and then I seen your comment saying, go check your email. Thank you. I appreciate it so much. I absolutely love Starbucks. I don't care. You know what? I'm a basic bee, and I love Starbucks, and I'm trying to not go there and not spend unnecessary money. I can make my own coffee, you know, until my boyfriend keeps telling me, cut out Starbucks, cut out Starbucks. Yes, I need to cut out Starbucks out of my fund. And then to get my little gift card, I was like, I'm going to Starbucks now. I'm getting a keto pink drink for tonight. I'm getting a big old coffee for tomorrow. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nacine. I'm 36. I am a mother to 4 beautiful children, a floofy, fluffy husky, 2 kitty kitties, and I would love it if you would give me a clicky clicky. Don't mind, I don't have my glasses on today. And also, if you are new here, consider subscribing. No! Oh, whew, I thought I forgot my fork. I'm gonna hurry up and show you what I'm eating for lunch because I'm parked next to a creeper dude, and like he's gonna stare at me the whole time, so I feel really weird. Anyways, last night I had egg roll in a bowl, and so I just made myself a little bit of the leftovers with some yum yum sauce on top. That's like 100 grams of ground turkey and like 140 grams of the broccoli slaw, and then about 2 tablespoons of the yum yum sauce on top. So that's all I'm eating, and then I have my Soleil water that I'm drinking, and here comes the creeper. Hey guys, I am home. I didn't really feel much like vlogging on the way home because this thing is consuming my entire face, and it's I'm kind of just, I don't know. I got a headache. I need to figure out what I'm going to feed. You can't even see me. Still can't see me. There I am. I need to figure out what I'm going to feed my kids. We have lunch meat and some wraps, so we'll probably have those. We also have tuna fish. Maybe I'll make some tuna and cook up some eggs. I'm just like make my lunch for tomorrow. I don't know. Just one of those days. I was having a good day, but then I got off work, and then like, I don't know, kind of like reality set in. I don't know. I hate these days. Hate them. I don't like the struggle bus, the mental struggle bus, the financial struggle bus. I'm struggling. So hopefully I stay on track tonight and I don't let my my feelings get the best of me. And I'm just gonna try to eat some good food and stay full and stay occupied. So I'll be back when I figure out what I'm gonna eat. This is what I settled on for dinner. I'm using one of these Tomorrow's Carbwise multi-grain. It is 3 net carbs per thing, and ooh, and I really like these. To be honest, I can't remember if I got these at Meijer or Walmart, but I got them at one of the two. 3 net carbs is the lowest I've ever seen, and they are very soft and they don't break apart. They fold easily. It says that you can heat them up, you can do whatever. No sugar, 8 fiber. These are legit, you guys. If you're doing total, it's 11 total carbs. I have 1 slice of the Meijer brand provolone cheese. I have 1 serving of uncured pepperoni by Hormel, natural choice, and then I have 1 serving of the uncured Genoa salami by Hormel. Good macros, 0 carbs. I think that's the same thing for this one. I don't like the packaging though because it doesn't reseal. And then I just put some mayo and mustard and some pickle and salt and pepper on here. And this is kind of like what I get when I go to Subway, a spicy Italian. So this is basically a spicy Italian. I'll probably have 1 of these. I did eat some more egg roll in a bowl. Not much. It was leftovers of Peyton's from yesterday. I wanted to finish it off because he wasn't going to eat it. And then I think that's it. I might make some tuna fish for tomorrow for lunches and for the kids. Actually, I'm going to have a serving of the pork rinds too. My counter is trashed. And I'm also drinking this super tea. Bye. Okay, I'm going to eat. So I have my farm fresh eggs sitting here. I don't have any ice, so I'm trying to run some cold water over them so they can cool off so I can make some egg salad. I'm trying to make some easy meals that I can bring to work and that the kids can have while I'm at work. So I made a big thing of tuna fish that the kids can have. If you like these containers, they're just from Dollar Tree. I think it's 2 for $1. I like them. They're good for soups. They're good for and they stack nice and easy in the fridge. And I threw in some pickles in here. My kids basically eat low carb. I can't say that they eat keto because they do eat other things, but they do mostly, oh, I cracked it. They do mostly eat low carb. So they love egg salad, they love tuna fish, they love just lunch meats, but they also love peanut butter and jelly. Out of tuna, I have some chicken left, so we're working with what we got here. I just had a protein shake, chocolate protein shake inside my Keto Chow blender to get the rest of my protein in. It was pretty good. So I'm going to let these cool. I'm going to get this in the refrigerator, and I will see you guys soon. Kind of just not feeling the best me currently. So I am laying on the couch. I'm going to watch some TV with the boys for a little bit, and maybe later go for W. I'm not sure. I don't know. It's like Lincoln now knows what W means. Okay. Bye, guys. Have a great day.